So as I have some teeth to knock in some wheels, I was back here and had a few things to clean up and such. So a while back, there was a comment made to me about using this hammer, a claw hammer, to hammer in the teeth, and suggested I use a ball peen hammer. So a couple weeks ago when I was at Home Depot, went and looked at what they had and found something I liked. So today I was like, okay, let's see what we can improve here. So I just made this little fast foam holder, just jigged it up real fast. Nothing special, we'll see how it works, but so far this seems to be nice. Just the hammer's always in the direction I want it. Boom, set it back, boom. It's always right where I want it. I know where it is, I know where the handle is. I also like the wood handle since I can wipe off some of the Loctite and stuff. So that's one improvement here. I found one of my knockout things here. So I went to put it away and I'm kind of like, hey, what size might this be? So I decided I'm going to GPS tape all these. So I started here with blue. So I'll go red, white, and blue. And I got 3 other colors here. I'll mark them all up, make it easier to put them away, make sure they go in the right place next time. Thanks for watching.